Today is not a good day. My pride and joy, my Canon SX60, it's decided to develop a bit of a problem. The camera's been working flawlessly. I've not dropped it. I treat it carefully. It's always charged properly. Well, what's gone wrong with it is this little thing here. It's called battery compartment. Right there, battery compartment. When I open it up, as you can see, battery is not secure. The little orange bit on the side here, this browny piece, that's meant to slide across and hold the battery in position. Well, as you can see, it clearly doesn't. So when I close over the lid, it doesn't always shut properly, so I have to be very careful when I'm putting the camera down, because it can physically come undone and I'll drop the battery out. So I'm not happy about that, but thank goodness for my little Gitup Git2, which is the camera I'm using right now. Probably a bit shaky because I'm holding it in my hands, and I'll have to take my Canon down and get it repaired and find out how much it costs later. But I'm not a happy Vegemite, I can tell you. I really like this camera, but I don't like the fact that it's broken. And before I forget, thanks for watching.